Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SOH and SOC estimates with LeafSpy Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have LeafSpy Pro installed on your device. Open LeafSpy Pro and connect it to your electric vehicle. Once connected, navigate to the main interface of the app. Locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the menu icon to access additional options. Select the battery section from the menu. In the battery section, look for the option labeled SOH or SOC. SOH stands for state of health, while SOC stands for state of charge. Tap on the SOH option to view your battery's health estimate. Take note of the percentage displayed, indicating the current state of health. Next, return to the battery section to access the SOC option. Tap on the SOC to view your battery's current charge level. The SOC percentage represents how much charge remains in the battery. For a more detailed analysis, you may want to explore additional graphs and data in this section. To download these estimates, look for the Export or Save option within the app. Select your preferred file format for exporting data. Confirm your choice, and the app will begin the download process. Once the download is complete, check your device's storage for the file. You can now access SOH and SOC data offline whenever needed. Review the downloaded file to ensure all information is accurate and meets your needs. That concludes the step-by-step process for downloading SOH and SOC estimates using LeafSpy Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.